Hello, my name is Bryce, and this is my channel Striving Intellect. And today we're going to be talking about interplanetary exploration. And right here I have a picture of the Curiosity Rover on Mars. Recently, scientists found that one of the samples that was taken from a very, very old stone actually had the longest organic molecules that have been found so far on Mars, which is amazing, absolutely groundbreaking, and is absolutely, in my mind, the next step for exploration for humans, whether it's on the moon, on Mars, other planets, the asteroid field. These things are not out of our grasp, and I find it absolutely fascinating. So I'm going to show a video of the Curiosity Rover actually touching down while I kind of talk a little bit. It's amazing how familiar yet alien a lot of this footage actually looks. I mean, it could be in the middle of the desert on Earth, but this is not. This is actually the Curiosity Rover touching down on Mars. And to be clear, these samples were found all the way back in 2013, I believe, in what they say is 3.5 billion year old soapstone, I believe is what they said. And the Curiosity Rover actually took the sample and used its in-house lab on Mars to do testing and analysis of the samples, and then sent back the information to our scientists on Earth. And that was touchdown. I mean, it really is amazing. Human ingenuity surely knows no bounds. This is absolutely, I think that's it. Touchdown. Absolutely amazing. So organic molecules of unprecedented size discovered on Mars. The Curiosity Rover has discovered the largest organic molecules yet found on Mars, specifically in a 3.7 billion year old mudstone located in Gale Crater. These organic molecules contain up to 12 carbon atoms, provide insights into potential ancient biological processes on Mars, but do not serve as evidence as past life. So basically, this is going to show us kind of what happened on Mars way, 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 way long ago. As you can probably tell, 3.7 billion years ago is a pretty long time ago. The study indicates that if life existed on Mars, its chemical products might have survived for billions of years in rocks. NASA Daniels Glavin stated that the source of these organic molecules could involve geological processes, meteorite delivery, or remnants of ancient Martian biology. So either the planet and its geology caused it, meteorites landing on the planet, or remnants of ancient Martian biology, which would be really, really cool. That would be really fascinating. So I'm just going to show a little bit more of the pictures from the Curiosity Rover. This is, again, eerily similar. It could be a desert on Earth, but again, it is not. This is a panorama view that the Curiosity Rover had on Mars, which is very, very, very far away. Absolutely fascinating. The idea that we could take these photos and send them back such a far distance is just amazing. So it's going to show some more photos of the rover. I mean, absolutely amazing. So I actually have a couple articles pulled up, and I'm just going to read a couple excerpts from these. This is Life Science. Longest molecules ever found on Mars may be remnants of building blocks of life. I think, generally speaking, that would be, I don't want to say the least likely, but I do believe that geological or asteroid delivery would be the most likely. But obviously, there could have been life on Mars a very long time ago. And that would be fascinating, absolutely amazing. Longest molecules ever found on Mars may be remnants of building blocks of life. NASA's Curiosity Rover has discovered long carbon chains on Mars. On Earth, molecules like these are overwhelmingly produced by biological processes. And this would be absolutely fascinating. Imagine Mars just covered in life. That would be amazing. The longest molecules ever found on Mars have been unearthed in the NASA's Curiosity Rover. They could mean the planet is strewn with evidence of ancient life. Molecule chains containing up to 12 carbon atoms linked together were detected in a 3.7 billion-year-old rock sample collected from a dried-up Martian lake bed named Yellowknife Bay, according to the study published Monday. And this was recently found. I believe they published the study March 24th, 2025. These long carbon chains are thought to have originated from molecules called fatty acids, which on Earth are produced by biological activity. While fatty acids can form without biological input, which may be the case for Mars, their existence on the red planet means that signs of life may be lurking within its soil. Again, I don't know if that's necessarily the most likely scenario, but it is fascinating that something like that could be possible. The fact that fragile linear molecules are still present on the Mars' surface 3.7 billion years ago after their formation allows us to make a new statement. If life ever appeared on Mars billions of years ago, at the time life appeared on Earth, chemical traces of ancient life could still be present today for us to detect. I mean, it absolutely amazing. I just have like one more article and just a little bit pulled up from here. Actually, here is a picture of the carbon chains that they actually found. I believe the ones that they're specifically talking about are these three new ones, and previously they had actually found shorter biological molecules. Again, this doesn't necessarily mean that there was definitely life on Mars, but it is an interesting step towards finding out whether there was or not. Absolutely amazing. Again, it looks eerily similar to Earth, yet alien at the same time. I just thought this was absolutely amazing and fascinating news. There's probably going to be much more. There are actually other rovers on Mars right now. So, maybe we'll find out more about this in the future. If you like this video, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.